Well, good afternoon. We continue to monitor for thunderstorms this afternoon and hot temperatures as well happening now. Even this morning, we had a couple of rumbles of thunder out there. This is a photo sent to us this morning from earlier on when we were seeing a couple of thunderstorms in the Stutsman County area. This photo taken from around the Wimbledon area pointed toward Medina, where a thunderstorm was going on early this morning. You can see the sunrise glowing off the cloud there. Margie sent us this photo. Thanks for sharing it. And we'll see more images like this as we get into the afternoon, as we start to see more conditions develop into stormy weather. Right now, though, pretty quiet out there. We've got blue skies and then some areas where we have a few clouds drifting through, but no storm clouds at the moment on our sky cam or on our radar. Just one spot here over into the Lake of the Woods area where we have a few places where we've got a little drizzle going on, a little bit of light rain that's going to drift off to the northeast, and then a few more clouds down to the south that we'll be watching here today. Eventually, we'll see some of those storms pop as we make our way through the afternoon. Right now, though, it's just the heat that's affecting us. We're looking at temperatures well into the 80s. Mid 80s in the south right now. Northern Valley, low 70s to or upper 70s to low 80s there. The wind has been lighter, picking up though in Lakes Country. We're into the 20s there. We'll see more of that as we make our way into the afternoon as well. Wind out of the south with those gusts into the 20s. Here's your hour by hour planner. So we've got quieter conditions to start right now, and then working our way into the next few hours, heating up more. We'll be getting into some low 90s in some instances in the south, some 80s more likely in the north. Grand Forks and the metro area might be a little bit toastier. And then around this time, this is when we're watching for storms to pop. So watch what happens. We'll go from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Suddenly we're seeing storms starting to develop, and then another hour in advance we'll see that chance for rain and thunder continue, and into the 6 o'clock hour you can see we've got ongoing areas of rain and thunder. Another situation where it's hit and miss. So some of us get hit by a storm, some of us get missed. So there'll be different areas experiencing different things this afternoon, but the potential is there for everybody to have a thunderstorm roll in. And in addition to that, most of these will stay below severe limits. We're looking at a very low risk for severe, but still we'll have to watch out for some hail, 1 or 2 storms that might ramp up and get a little bit stronger heading into those late afternoon and early evening hours. Moving our way into later tonight, 10 p.m., still some lingering areas of rain and thunder, but overall that will be winding down at that point, and we'll be seeing quieter conditions overnight. And to start Friday, which will also be another warm day and another day that features chances for rain and thunderstorms yet again on Friday. Temperatures still rising into the 40s, and that trend continues through the weekend. So now we got graduation and parties coming up for graduation this weekend. Just be aware it won't be raining the entire time, but it's going to be hot, and you might see a storm or two. So keep that Valley News Live weather app downloaded and ready to alert you for anything that pops up. And we'll be, of course, monitoring things right here for you as well.
Yeah, it's interesting of all those records that we were kind of hitting.
Yes.
That you were mentioning earlier.
Yeah, you know, May for both Grand Forks and Fargo, the second warmest on record. The entire month was warm.
Wow, amazing. All right, thank you so much.